Now we will see how the data that is generated by different companies, it is normalized. First we will see the Affymetrix data. So the data generated by the Affymetrix companies, it is normalized generally in 2-3 steps. First, the background correction is done by using different protocols, and then the normalization of probes is carried out, and then the summarization was carried out. And summarization means that we can summarize the different probes that are present for each gene into the probe sets. So after using these different steps, we can normalize the Affymetrix data. For Affymetrix data, the Affymetrix company has generated different programs to normalize the Affymetrix data. And one of these program is MAS5. So this MAS5 program is coupled with the R program, and it can be normalized by using the command MAS5, and then parentheses we can write the information. Similarly, another type of the normalization program is also developed by the Affymetrix company, and it is called the Plier program, and it is present in the Plier program of the R program. And we can similarly use the command as Plier, and then we can write the information in the parentheses. So these different types of normalization programs, they help to normalize the Affymetrix data. And if we want to normalize the Affymetrix data, the Affymetrix data should be present in the Affy library in the R program. And whenever we analyze the data present in the Affy library, then after normalization, the data is saved in the form of DAT2. And we can also analyze the data by using the command RMA. RMA we have already seen, the robust microarray average. So we can use the command RMA, and then we can write within the parentheses the data sets that are present for the Affymetrix in the R program. Sometimes it happens that after normalization by using RMA DAT command, we get the huge amount of the data, and that data sometimes exceed the memory of the computer. So to overcome this problem, we have another command that is just RMA and then parentheses. By using this command, we can overlook the program. Our program can overlook the normalization process, and it create another folder in which the normalized data is stored. So the program we have to write to normalize the Affymetrix data is DAT2, and we use this just RMA command. And we have to note that the pre-processed Affymetrix data is now stored as a expression set, and then we use the data2 because it is stored in this form, and then we get the information about the data that is normalized, and we can see the details that this expression set that is already is converted into this format. We have the storage model, assay data, this features, samples, element names, sample names, and so on. So by using this command, we can normalize the data, and this data is stored in the form of expression set, and we can get the information, and we can store the data in the computer.